Hello everybody, how are you? This is GO lesson 17 tube. Kam jirtu barattoota nagaa keessanii nageenyi waaqayyoo iddoo isin jirtan hundumatti isin wajjin haa ta'u. Anis nagaa kooti kuni tamsaasa GO lesson 17 tubein barnoota ji'oogiraafii ኮርሲ ፍሬሽማanii qabatee dhiyaatedha. እንደምናችሁ ተማሪዎች ይህ GO lesson 17 ቲዩብ ነው። ባላችሁበት ሁሉ የእግዚአብሔር ሰላም ይብዛላችሁ። GO lesson 17 ቲዩብ ለግቢ ተማሪዎች የጂኦግራፊ ፍሬሽማን ኮርስ ይዞላችሁ ቀርቧል። በዚህ ቪዲዮ ውስጥ ዛሬ የምናየው በዩኒቨርሲቲ ምን አይነት ጥያቄዎች በጂኦግራፊ ምዕራፍ 1 ፈተናዎች ሊወጡ ይችላሉ የሚለውን የተለያዩ ጊዜያት ፈተናን ይዤላችሁ ቀርቤያለሁ። እናንተም ከኔ ጋር ስለሆናችሁ አመሰግናችኋለሁ። ኤጋ በረቶታ ከነዱራ በርኖታ ጂኦግራፊ ፍሬሽማን ኮርስ keessan boqonnaa tokko xumuruun keenya ni yaadatama karaa GO lesson 17 tiubii. Isuma keessaa ammoo gaaffiiwwan akkamiitu ba'a kan jedhu qabadhee isiniif dhiyaadheera. Kanaaf ana waliin akka qaybattaniidhaaf yeroon isin affeeru gammachuudhaani waan ana waliin taataniidhaafis guddaan isin galateeffadha. Gara gaaffiitti haa deebinu. What are the exam item composition in university? Jalqaba qabiyyeen qormaata ዩኒቨርሲቲ ማል ኦፍ keessaa qabaachuu danda'a kan jedhu isiniif ibsuun barbaachisaadha. መጀመሪያ የዩኒቨርሲቲ ፈተናዎች ምን አይነት ይዘቶችን ሊኖሩት ይችላሉ የሚለውን ላሳውቃችሁ ይገባኛል። tokkoffaan ብላንክ ስፔስ አይተሚ qabaachuu danda'a. ብላንክ ስፔስ አይተም ሊኖረው ይገባል። ባዶ ሙላ bakka qullaa guutii jechuudha. እሰይ አይተሚ qabaachuu danda'a ሊኖረው ይችላል። እሰይ አይተም includes compare and the contrasts define and the like ከናፍ ከነፈ ካደን እነዚህን መሰል ጥያቄዎች ሊኖሩት ይችላሉ። ቾይስ ይኖረዋል ምርጫ ፍለኖ ቀባት ማቺንግ ፍሮም ሱ ቀባችሁ ደንዳ አዛምት ሊኖሩት ይችላሉ። እስቲ በዩኒቨርሲቲ ፈተናችን እንዲህ አይነት ይዘት ይዞ ቢመጣ ልንመልሰው እንችላለን ወይ? ዝግጁዎች ነን ወይ? ሜ ጋፊወን ዩኒቨርሲቲ ቆርማት ተረታ ከከነተቱኑ ዲያተኒ deebisuu dandeenyaayi kan jedhu akka isin of ilaaltaniidhaaf gaaffii armaan gaditti argaman isiniif qabadhee dhufeera. Xiyyeeffannoo keessan GO lesson 17 tiubii waliin taasisaa. The instruction says that answer the following questions accordingly. haaluma gaafatamteen gaaffiiwwan armaan gadii deebisi jedha. በተጠየቃችሁ መሰረት ከዚህ በታች የቀረቡ ጥያቄዎችን መልሱ ነው የምለው። question number 1. The shape of a country which do not has a very great distance from a geographic center of a state to the border is blank. Me waraqaa keessan xiqqoo isin cina jirtu irratti bakka qullaa kana kan guutu deebii keessan barreessaa. ባጠገባችሁ ባለችው ትንሿ ወረቀት ላይ ይህንን ባዶ ቦታ ሊሞላ የሚችል መልስ ጻፉ። question number 2. Blank is a marginal information of a map which is used to depict the meaning of signs and the symbols on the map. question number 3. List the basic principle of map reading. barattoota waraqaa keessan isin cina jirtu irratti tarreessitanii baay'ee gaariidha. ተማሪዎች ካጠገባችሁ ባለችው ትንሿ ወረቀት ላይ መልሳችሁን ጽፋችኋል? በጣም ጥሩ። Let's answer the question. Question number 1. The shape of a country which do not has a very great distance from a geographic center of a state to the border is known as compact shape. Compact shape. question number 2. Blank is a marginal information of a map which used to depict the meaning of signs and the symbols on the map. What is your answer? deebiin keessan maalin? መልሳችሁ ምንድን ነው? legend jettaniittu legend ብላችሁ ጽፋችኋል? Excellent. The answer is legend. Legend is a marginal information of a map which used to give the meaning of signs and the symbols on the map. Question number 3. List the basic principles of map reading. Here, 1. Translate the map symbols into landscape images. 2. Have the knowledge of directions and the locations of features on a specific map. 3. You may write that knowing the grid system to give an accurate description of your location. Another, you can write also, you can list also as understanding the map scale. Question number 4. Discuss the 3 types of scale based on their area coverage. Barattoota, gaaffii akkasii gaafa nuu dhufu adda baafachuu qabna. Iskeelii karaa adda addaatiin ibsuu dandeenya waan ta'eedhaaf. There are different types of scales. For example, based on their aerial coverage, large scale, medium scale, small scale. Based on their forms, fractional scale, statement scale, graphic scale. fi kanaaf kan kana fakkaatu በዚህ መልኩ መግለጽ እንችላለን። kanaaf gaaffiin kun kan inni nuun jedhe maa inni discuss the 3 types of scale based on their aerial coverage. በኤሪያል ከቨሬጃቸው ላይ ተንተርሳችሁ ሶስቱን የስኬል አይነቶች ዘርዝሩ። ስኬሊ ሰደን ውውሰ ናኖ እርሳኒ ረቱ እንዶፍተኒ ሰዲ በሬሳ ኢብሳ አይዳ ከናፍ ኢብሳ እስቲ ዲስኬስ አድርጉ። Number 5. Of the following, which one is considered as large scale map? A. 1:15,000. B. 1:100,000. C. 1:215,000. D. 75,000. Question number 6. Which one of the following map is odd from the others? A. Reference map. B. Climate map. C. Political map. D. Soil map. barattoota deebii keessan deebistanii ተማሪዎች መልሳችሁን መልሳችኋል። baay'ee gaariidha. What will be the answer for question number 4? deebiin keessan lakkoofsa 4 ta'u maalin? ለአራተኛ ጥያቄ ይሆናል ያላችሁ መልሶቻችሁ ምንድን ናቸው? Good. 1. Large scale map. Large scale map covers small areas and providing large or detailed information about the area it represents. The example is city map or town map. Finfinne map or Addis Ababa map is a large scale map which covers small areas and provides large information about the area. akkasitti barreessitaniittu እንዲህ ጽፋችኋል። በጣም ጥሩ። 2. Medium scale map covers medium areas and provides a medium information about the area. This is the scale ratio of 1:50,000 to 215,000. 3. Small scale map. Small scale map covers very large areas and provide less amount of information about the area it represents. This type of scale of a map is less than or equals to 250 scale of a map. kanaaf akkasitti shaakaluu akkasitti qayyabachuu qabdu jechuudha. በዚህ መልኩ ማጥናት በዚህ መልኩ መለማመድ መቻል አለባችሁ ማለት ነው። Question number 5. Of the following which one is considered as large scale map? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት ወደ large scale map የሚካተተው የቱ ነው? ስኬሊ ካርታ ባልአት kan dabalamu kami? A 1 ratio 15,000, B 1 ratio 100,000, C 1 ratio 215,000, D 1 ratio 75,000. So the largest scale map is A 1 ratio 15,000. Question number 6. Which one of the following map is odd from the others? kanneen armaan gadii keessaa kaartaan adda ta'e kami? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት ልዩ የሆነው ካርታ የቱ ነው? ኤ ሪፈረንስ ማፕ፣ ቢ ክላይሜት ማፕ፣ ሲ ፖለቲካል ማፕ፣ ዲ ሶይል ማፕ። ዴቢ ኬሰኒ ከም ጀተኒ የትኛውን ነው የመረጣችሁት? ኤ ጀተኒቱ? ዘ አንሰር ኢዝ ኤ ሪፈረንስ ማፕ ኢዝ a general purpose map, but climate map, political map, soil maps are thematic or topical or specific purpose map. So the different one is A. Question number 7. Compare and contrast the reference map and specific purpose map with naming an example. 1. A reference map is designed to display a general geographic information. A specific purpose map is created to display a specific data related to a particular subject. The focus is on conveying information about a specific topic rather than general geographic feature. Reference map displays physical and cultural features. Example, topographic map, which provides what? Wide range of information. Whereas specific purpose map displays specific themes of data, which is related to what? Related to the particular topic. For example, climatic map, population map, political map. These maps are focused on one aspect of variables. Question number 8. Which one of the following is not the advantage of Ethiopia's large land size? A. Possesses diverse agroecological zone. B. Possesses a large amount of arable land. C. B. The home of diverse ethnic groups. D. Increased demand for infrastructural construction. barattoota deebii keessan kan ta'u kami? waraqaa keessan xiqqoo isin cinaa jirtu irratti ammas adda baafachuu hin dhiisinaa። ተማሪዎች መልስ የሚሆነው የቱ ነው? በአጠገባችሁ ባለችው ወረቀት ላይ መልሳችሁን መያዝ አትዘናጉ። Question number 9. Name the countries which are well known with protrude shape. Protrude shape means elongated shape. Deddefa barreeffadhaa. yoo xiqqaate 3 ibsaa'edha. 3 isaanii tarreessa. ቢያንስ 3 ግለጹ ብሎ ኤ ቢ ሲ ብላንክ አስቀምጦላችኋል። ለዚህ ዘርዝሯቸው። barattoota deebiin keessanii maal jettan? lakkoofsa 8tiif filannoo isa kam filattan? ተማሪዎች ለስምንተኛው ጥያቄ የመረጣችሁት መልስ የትኛው ነው? Increased demand for infrastructural construction is not the advantage, but it is disadvantage. So the answer is D. Name the countries which are well known with protrude shape. Chile, Italy, Vietnam. Question number 9. The geographic thought which believe as the environment is an influential factor to the control population growth is called blank. Question number 11. The human environment interaction in which humans modify themselves to resist the harsh condition of the environment in their lifestyle is called blank. Question number 12. which of the following represents northernmost tip of Ethiopia? A. 3 degree, B. 15 degree north, C. 33 degree east, D. 48 degree east. Question number 13. Which of the following countries' shape often influence the culture, climate, and economic activities of a society? Barattoota, deebii keessan adda baasuu filachuu hin dagatinaa. Good. Question number 10. What is your answer? Question number 10. The geographic thought which believe us the environment is an influential factor to control population growth is determinism. Determinism. So the answer is determinism. Question number 11. The human environment interaction in which humans modify themselves to resist the harsh condition of the environment in their lifestyle is called adaptation. Adaptation. Question number 12. Which of the following represents the northernmost tip of Ethiopia? Badime, 15 degree, B. Question number 13. Which of the following countries' shape often influence the culture, climate, and economic activities of society? Elongated. Question number 14. Which one is incorrect about Ethiopia owing to her astronomical location? Ethiopia experiences A. Overhead the sun twice in a year, B. High temperature during most of the year, C. High daily diurnal ranges of temperature, D. Relatively high annual range of temperature. Question number 15. Which of the following is incorrect about Ethiopia? A. The east-west distance is larger than the north-south. B. The latitudinal extension of Ethiopia experiences tropical climate. C. The north-south distance is larger than the east-west. D. Little difference in the ratio of daylight to night between summer and the winter. So which is the answer? Question number 16. Of the following, which statement indicates topic approach in geography? A. Africa is the second most populous next to Asia in the globe. B. Tropical region experiences conventional rainfall due to high angle of the sun. C. The climate variation affects suitability of the environment for living things. D. The various characteristics of each region are interrelated to the environment. Barattoota, deebii keessan sirriitti deebisuu hin dagatinaa. Okay, the answer for question number 14 is D. Relatively high, it says low annual ranges of temperature. Incorrect የሆነበት ምክንያት ምንድን ነው? ሃይ ነው የምለው ሃይ ጀዳ ኢንኮሬክት ከንት ተይ ሰበብኒ ሳ ሃይ ጀዳ በት low. Number 15. Which of the following is incorrect about Ethiopia? The east-west distance is larger than the north to south. Yes, it is correct. Okay. East to west is 48 degree minus 33 degree, which is equals to 50. But north to south is 15 degree minus 3, it is 12. So it is true, A is correct. B. The latitudinal extension of Ethiopia experiences tropical climate. Yes, tropical climate. The north-south distance is larger than the east to west. C is incorrect. D. There is little difference in the ratio of the daylight to the night between summer and the winter. It is right. So the answer is C. Question number 16. Of the following, which statement indicates the topical, not regional, topical approach in geography. Topical approach. So, topical approach, tropical regions experience conventional rainfall due to high angle of the sun. The answer is B. Why? Because the statement focuses on a specific topic. That means climate and the rainfall patterns in the what? In the tropical region. So the answer is B. Chaanalii keessan Geolesson 17 Tube waan daawwattaniif galatooma. Geolesson 17 Tube chaanalaachun sila gobanyaachuu አመሰግናለሁ። Geolesson 17 Tube chaanalii milkoomina egeree dhalootaaf dhimmu